Guys, this one's gonna be fire, wherever you're watching from. If you like the studio setup, let me know. Drop me a comment. And as always, make sure you enjoy this video and get flying bossy. All right, guys, we are back, and we are back with a new studio setup. All right, so guys, again, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another fire jump rope tutorial. We are kicking off the new studio setup, the new Rush Athletic studio setup, with a very advanced, super slick 3-move combo. All right, it's going to involve a switch cross, a cross, and then we're going to go into a double under crossover. So let's get straight into the video, peeps. We're going to be showing you 3 moves, all right? And if you are new to switch crossing, a switch cross is basically a crossover with a little twist, all right? Now, a normal crossover, you go cross, uncross. With a switch cross, what happens is you're gonna basically feel like your arms are doing a cross motion. And the only way that can happen is after your first cross, you then in midair have to switch your arms over, hence switch cross, and then cross again with the other arm on top, okay? So for example, when I do my first cross, it's left arm on top, and then I have to switch and get the right arm on top so that we get this switch cross move happening like this, all right? Now with this move, it's gonna be basically switch cross, cross, double under cross, all right? So one more time, switch cross, cross, double under cross. This combination, as with all Rush Athletics combinations, it's like creating a musical score, right? When you get the right notes together, it's poetry, it's like it just flows, okay? So this move, or this video even, doesn't need to be that long. It's just for my real OG followers out there, or anyone who's really into their skipping, to just step it up a gear, take it to that elite level, and just give you an idea how you could put these moves together. So I'm gonna go through some quick bits on the switch cross to make sure that you guys get it done very slick. Then we're gonna move into how we connect the double under crossover and then finish off the combo, okay? All right, some quick fundamentals on the switch cross, peeps, is I want you to feel light grip pressure. A light grip pressure will allow you to throw this move down super easy. And then what we need to do is match up the footwork, right? So how I want you to figure out this move, if you haven't kind of got it done like very easily, is you want to feel like when you do the first cross, okay, what happens is you need to feel and see the rope come past your eyes before you then try and switch the crossover, right? And what most people do is they kind of go too early and then they trip, okay? You need to just let the rope come around you, and then the second cross happens really close to your feet. So you kind of have to delay that second cross, and then really it's about hand path, right? If you understand the hand path of a switch cross, you'll understand the move itself. So we're trying to make 2 loops. So the first loop will be very easy for you, it's just your normal cross. And then the second loop, now that we've got this loop happening, the second loop has to happen, like I said, by your feet, but your hands need to feel like they come away from your body. So you're in this position, they have to feel like they come away from your body, and then quickly do it like that, okay? It's really hard to do it like this. You need to feel the stretch away and then switch it, okay? Then following on from that, when you've got the switch cross down, is you're gonna feel like you're in this hug position now, and you just maintain that to do that extra second cross. And it's just like you feel locked in, right? You finish the switch cross move, now you're just gonna rotate the wrists, keep the legs moving. And I'm just doing this with a simple boxer step, folks. You could do it with a run, just like this. But yeah, start with the boxer step, and it's a nice way then to move into double under crossover. All right, third and final move with the combination, right? We're now set up after with this cross move, okay? What happens after this? From this moment, guys, you've got to plant the feet, right? Get nice and centered, and we're just gonna uncross, jump, uncross, so it's gonna go into a double under, uncross your arms, and then cross. For the double under crossover, it's the method, the secondary method, which is kind of under, cross, yeah? So it's here, here. And what's nice about all RA movements and combinations, like I said, is I've been practicing them for hours and hours. When I share them with you, believe me, when it clicks, it will always click and it will just become muscle memory. So just a quick note on the double under crossover, folks. Just remember, it's not the speed in which you move your arms to get this move done. It's how you move the arms, which then creates the snapping in the wrist, which then transfers into the rope to create the whipping sound. You need to find that whipping sound because that's what gives you the speed. That allows you to then not have to kind of jump so high. You keep the legs nice and straight. And with the light grip pressure, this is what's going to make it really easy. What's really important to finish this off, guys, is how you apply the pressure and force in the ground, all right? To set off the jump, because a lot of people always flex their knees on this move. If you can learn to use the balls of your feet and then apply the pressure down, set the feet down into the floor, it gives us a better jump, a better spring in the step. That way, we don't have to flex the knees. We don't have to move so fast with everything. It can happen nice and chilled. You see, I'm trying to go really slow here just to show you it doesn't need to be erratic or crazy. So hopefully, man, you know what? I spent the last few weeks, well, to be honest, a few weeks ago, went to Mauritius, went on honeymoon, came back here, set this whole stage up, this whole new set. And I thought, I might be a little bit rusty. In fact, I'm not rusty, I'm getting tired quicker. So I'm gonna be getting back into it, guys. A lot more videos, a lot more tutorials coming. And just remember, wherever you are in the world, if you're supporting, just want to say a big thank you. I'm super grateful for everything you do for Rush Athletics. All the support with our ropes, with our accessories, and everything that makes this dream still keep alive. So wherever you are, thank you. And remember, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Check our ropes out, check our apparel, check our workout mats, everything we've got to offer to make sure we get you flying like bosses. I'll see you in the next video, as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.